Hello and welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to register your small business. So you're looking to register a company on CIPC, but you don't know how to register the company. I'm going to be sharing with you a document on how to register a business. And also I'm going to be creating this video. Follow this video on how you can create and register your business. Remember, once you've registered your business, you'll be issued a unique registration number for your business and also your tax number, your income tax number for your business automatically. If you're trading and you don't have a business registered, maybe do consider formalizing your business to register your business.